I've just taken delivery of my Predator today. We're in the process of putting everything together, and I think I've noticed a bit of damage, so I'm going to cut this polythene and have a closer look. Yeah, down here, right where the tip of the blade is. You can see that part there. There's a dirty great big crack in it. So I'll be contacting somebody about a replacement for that. We've also got a bit of an issue with two of these rods. That screw will not tighten up anymore, and neither will that one. All the others are fine. There's no sideways movement on that, but that screw will not go in anymore, and neither will this one. We seem to have a bit of an issue with this filament sensor as well. Just wobble the magnet a bit, Josh, show them what's happening. It's not being held on with very much force at all, and when you try and operate the switch, go on, it comes loose on its magnet before the switch is operated, which I don't believe is what's supposed to happen at all. I don't think it's supposed to have that wobble on the switch, so I'm not too happy about that.